So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and the notification bell so you can get these updates every time I post them. So today I'm going to look at the DXY as well as gold, and then I'm going to go over the fundamentals quickly, right? So the news that we had this week, all the fundamental events that we had this week, all of those events, and we had like 12 or 13 events, I think. 23.08% of those events came out this week. And then 76.92 came out as strong. So that's a good indication for the Fed that the dollar is indeed getting stronger and inflation is indeed lowering. So we might see rate cuts, which will result in the dollar trading lower, and then gold, which we love, trading higher. Okay, so I'm gonna go here into the technical analysis. So obviously, I look at a 20-day range and trade off the 20-day range, right? So I have bigger picture. My analysis goes far beyond the 20-day range, but for this purpose and for my intraday trading, I look at a 20-day range, right? So that's the high of the 20-day range, and this is the low. Okay, and somewhere in between here you'll find your equilibrium point, which is your 50% level, and above that is premium prices, and below that is discount prices. So in premium we sell, and in discount we buy. So as you can see, price traded off the premium level and sold, right? So there's tons of liquidity sitting here with this change of character. So we're expecting price to trade lower, so we can come and take out this low here and continue with the overall trend, right? So we obviously we're expecting sells on the DXY based of that logic, right? So there's a ton of things that I look at. Price rate into that fair value gap, nice rejection. So I'm expecting price to come and take out this liquidity here, those equal lows, this liquidity there, this liquidity here, that liquidity there, that, and eventually this low to be taken out of 100 $0.617. So anything can happen. I'm not married to the bias. Price can reverse or decide to go higher, and that's where you distinguish between a trader and a gambler, right? Because the gambler never believes they're wrong, and if you're a trader, you adapt to the market and you react to what the market is doing. So if price does trade higher, I look for price to come into this order block, but my bias for now is bearish. And when I go and look at gold, the same thing, right? I look at the 20-day range, right, being this low here and that high there again, right? So we saw price trade into this premium prices. We sold here in discount, price traded to this premium prices, so we are looking to buy. At first I was looking for price to take out these lows here and then tap into this imbalance here, but as you can see, this pivot, which is this old low to your left hand side, is holding price nicely like it did in the past, and we might see price trade higher to go and take out that high there, that high there. It's actually equalized if you look at it, that high and eventually that high there. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of gold. I was expecting price to come and take out these lows here, and price actually tapped into that fair value gap there, that order block there, and rejected nicely. But I think we'll come and fold that candle completely and pass it, going higher. We might see price struggling to go past 2071.002, as that is a strong resistance level. So that would be take profit 1. But if price does reverse and trade below this here, I will look for price to come and test this old low pivot here, as well as taking out these levels of liquidity that wasn't taken out, and filling in this imbalance perhaps coming to fill that order block there. We'll just see what price does, but that's what I'm looking at for the week. I'm looking for price to trade higher on gold and trade lower on the dollar as we go into the second week of fundamentals. That's it from me, guys. As I said in the beginning, please do subscribe and the notification bell so you can get these updates every time I post it.